So that was how we found my friend's iPhone. You clicked on this video because yours is missing too. Welcome, I go by the name Jade Casely and this is Dedicated. In this video, there is a key point you don't need to miss. So avoid skipping, follow the step boot for boot. Make sure you understand everything and you can track the location of your missing iPhone. So let's get into the video. So when you launch your web browser, I recommend Chrome to everybody because it's the safest web browser I know. Yes, so when you launch Chrome, you type in icloud.com/find or /find. So you load this website. Now before you load this website, you need to have your Apple ID and then the password in mind, because those are the two informations will be needed to log in before you can find the location of your iPhone. So here is the page. You have to input your Apple ID and then you log in. So you input the ID. So you input the ID and you add a password as well. So immediately you do this, a page will open and then your iPhone will begin to track. The location of your iPhone will begin to track. So you go to the top right corner there, you can change it to the hybrid or the satellite. There you can see it clearly. So when you click on the green, you can see the iPhone. Yes, you can see the iPhone. So that green dot there is the location of the iPhone. So the sweet good news here is that you can still track your iPhone even if the location has been turned on or the phone has been switched off, because this site uses the inbuilt Bluetooth system to track your iPhone. So thank you for watching this video. If this was useful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.